G'day, Mick again. You might remember me from the last video I did where I was telling you about the Gates XtremeRunner drive belts designed to deliver peak performance in four-wheel drive applications. Well, this is my beauty and I'm about to head off on a big trip. 5,000 kilometres up the middle of the country and then across to Broome. That's a lot of extreme conditions in the middle of nowhere. So, one thing I've done in preparation for the trip is fit one of these, an XtremeRunner high-performance premium drive belt from Gates. I'm going to be facing some of the most extreme conditions this country can throw at us, and I need durability, flexibility and performance from my belts. Gates XtremeRunner belts are designed for four-wheel drives. They'll maintain full efficiency, and their heavy-duty construction means that all my engine components that are belt-driven will perform at their optimum, not just for this trip, but for the life of the belt. These belts are designed to work in harsh conditions like heat, dust, debris and water crossings, and even excess oil won't be a problem. I wouldn't be going on a trip like this without Gates XtremeRunner belts fitted. So if you're like me and need the best, speak to your mechanic or grab one of these to protect your vehicle's performance and durability. Gates XtremeRunner belts, the ultimate choice for four-wheel drive enthusiasts and professionals.